Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're signed in and ready. Start by confirming your home area in YouTube TV. Open Settings, then Membership, and look for Home Area. Note the ZIP code shown. Once done, make sure your device's location services are enabled and your router is broadcasting the correct network. If you plan to move your home area, prepare the new ZIP and be aware that YouTube TV limits how often you can change this setting. This matters because it affects local channel access and regional sports. Now change the home area. Go to Settings, then Membership, then Home Area. Click Edit and enter the new ZIP or allow the device to detect location. Choose the option that best matches where you actually live. Make sure the device you use to confirm is connected to the local network. YouTube TV uses that device to verify the move. Follow the confirmation prompts. The system may ask you to re-verify later. Make sure local channels refresh and that any DVR region locks update accordingly. Finish by restarting the YouTube TV app and the confirming device. This forces the service to refresh your location and channel lineup. If local channels don't appear, check that your router's public IP and the device GPS reflect the new area. Mismatches often block updates. Also confirm you haven't exceeded the frequency limit for home area changes. If you did, you must wait the required period. If problems persist despite matching ZIP, GPS, and IP, contact YouTube TV.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.